Hey!
Hello, hello, hello.
It's been ages since I've been live on the group.
It is. Do they know who you are?
Hi! I'm back!
She's back. Oh, she's back. I don't know the word.
I'm
Confused.
And she's back from outer space. Don't turn around now.
Don't know
Look
the words
upon
to
your
that
face.
Oh, you're good at this.
Yeah. I want someone to join. Somebody join us.
Well, I think we could just get on with it. It's possible that people are at work at 4:10 in the afternoon.
Fair comment. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to sniff the Easter collection.
Can I just say how super cute is that little bag? How super cute is that? I'm loving that. I'm absolutely loving it.
Someone's with us. Who is it? It doesn't tell me.
No.
Hey, whoever you are, say hello. Drop a comment. Can we see the comments pop up?
Yeah, you should do.
Got a couple of people. Yay, hi. Thanks for joining. Don't know who you are, though. Comment. Say hello.
Right.
So, yeah, we're going to sniff through the Easter collection with you this afternoon. Love the cute little bag.
I love the bag.
Let's have a little look what we've got then. So, we've got
3 bars.
3 bars in the Easter collection.
So it's $20.75 for the 3-bar collection.
Our first one is Lemon Heaven. This is going to be a bit of me. I love the lemons. Okay.
I can't wait to smell this one. I'm not sure it's you.
That's not me.
Purely
I'm gutted.
Purely because that's quite a bakery
Bakery.
lemon. So that to me
It's like lemon blossom basil.
No, it's not.
That was
lemon meringue pie.
Yes, lemon meringue pie.
I think it's a bit more lemon meringue pie-y.
It's not me.
So it's vanilla, definitely vanilla in there, and lemon.
Fuming.
I think that's. You
love it.
Absolutely me. I really, really, really like that.
I
So
don't.
lemon heaven. For anybody who doesn't know, Sapphire is not a bakery
I don't like the bakery.
fan.
They make me feel funny. I like fresh. I like lemon. I like the clothesline.
Whereas
I like fresh
I'm not
linen.
so into.
You don't like.
fresh.
She doesn't even like clothesline. Who
Well,
doesn't like
it's
clothesline?
not that I don't like it. I just wouldn't warm it.
It's odd.
I have it
Odd.
in the car. Have it on the
fair,
pods in
fair.
the car.
That one's
but
not me.
That is lush.
I was really looking forward to that anyway.
Sorry.
Anyway, next one. Prickly Pear Flair. So I like pear scents because it's fruity. And we're going to like it, Mum.
I think you might do.
Oh, okay. Let's try it. Oh, I absolutely love that. It's like soapy. Oh.
Oh, no, it's fizzy.
Fizzy and soapy.
Fizzy sweetie.
Yeah.
Like pear drops.
Yes, pear drops.
What's throwing me?
I really, really like that.
What's throwing me?
Is the pink.
Pink.
And green.
Green.
Yeah.
Why?
We had another one like that.
And that was pear.
That was the prickly pear.
Prickly pear and
agave.
agave.
No, it isn't that.
It was.
Is it? Was that what it was
It
called?
was.
It
Yeah,
was, yeah.
yeah, it was.
And that was the pink and the green. Fuck, odd.
Very odd. But that's nice. That smells like fizzy pear drops.
Who's with us? How can we see?
You can't see. Don't press buttons because you'll stuff it up.
Okay.
That's really nice.
Okay, next one is Peach Paradise. I do like a peach. Okay, let's open this up. I'm really gutted about the lemon one. Freaking love lemon scents. Oh, that's a bit of me.
Oh, that's very fruity.
Oh, I
isn't it?
loves the peachy ones.
And I think that's got other fruits in.
Yeah. Have we got a description?
I mean, you're going to be surprised by this description.
That's really, really nice.
White woods, vanilla bean.
I don't smell vanilla in that at all.
No. Uplift, bright notes of tangerine and lush peach.
Oh, yeah.
You're getting the tangerine and peach.
It's the tangerine and peach. I don't smell vanilla at all, but I don't like vanilla. So that's probably why I'm like
I think it
completely
mellows it.
blocking it out.
It mellows it slightly.
Maybe.
That is very tangerine. That's pineapple in
Oh,
particular.
pineapple, yes. Oh, yeah, I like
Nice.
it. So there you go. That is the Easter collection. $20.75 for these 3 bars. Again, it comes in this really cute little bag. Let's put them back in.
Oh, sorry.
Here we go. Cute.
It is really sweet, isn't it? Now, while we're on,
whiff box.
Whiff box.
Whiff box. Mega.
Yeah, it's very, very exciting. So if you order, now we could order for you, but they could go out of stock really quickly. I don't know how long they'll last. They are 20% off. Now,
20% is huge. And you know how much you get in those whiff boxes anyway.
Sometimes you can get up to 80 quid's worth. They're normally
ridiculous.
Worth anything 60 to 80 pounds.
Yeah, it's just ridiculous. We love the whiff boxes. They have a little surprise.
Yeah, so you will pay £33.60.
£33.60 for a whiff box. And they were...
Well... They're normally 42.
Normally 42. So you're getting like £9 off. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
And you're getting like 60 to 80 pounds worth of product. So
and it could be anything. It tends to always have wax in, but you can have
flowers,
Scentsy
buddy clips.
Yeah, buddy clips. You've got body stuff, cleaning
stuff, wash your whiff stuff. That's it's such a good deal. It's ridiculous.
Some pictures. If you've looked on our group or on our page, I've shared pictures of past whiff boxes. There's mini fans in them, with pods. Yeah, all sorts.
Everything in them. I like it when I get a buddy clip in them. I'm like, oh, buddy clip.
Yeah, we had a buddy clip not long ago, didn't we?
Yeah.
So that could come back. We had warmers, and it could be any month, and you won't know. You just buy it and it's a surprise. So
comment if you want more info on that.
Very exciting.
And we will send you a link to the website to order it, and you will get a little thank you from us through the post for ordering from the website too.
Absolutely. And I sent some out the other day to say thank you.
We like our thank yous.
We do. So there we have it. That's what we wanted to chat about. We've also got available some more mix-ups. If you haven't yet ordered your mix-up,
get your mix-ups in. It's a good one. It's a good one this month. It's like my favourite mix-up of the month.
So it's a citrusy one. So that's very exciting.
Citrusy.
There's also the Easter special.
So there's 2 Easter specials. You've got one for adults and one for children.
Yeah.
So get on the Easter special. They're always good. You love our specials.
Yay. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Or if you want anything from the catalogue or the website, just pop us a message and we will help you out. Right then, we are going to get off because we're actually going to go
some work.
Start making some mix-ups. Yeah. So we'll speak to you later.
Soon. Mwah.
Bye.